What's up with it? We are back at it again. Here he go. Here he go. And his hair still ain't even grew yet. And he back in my chair again. Now, his hair ain't growing at this point, so I'm still going to be able to grip it, but it's going to hurt the heck out of my fingers. And that's what I'm trying to explain to him, but he laughing. He think it's a joke, but I'm serious. And I'm thinking, and people thinking, and everybody thinking, like, okay, his hair is short. You should be able to do his hair fast and quick. No. The shorter your hair is, the more work we have to put in. I don't think y'all understand that. That's why I asked for your hair to be at least 3 inches or longer. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry it out much as I possibly can to make it look longer so it can feel longer so I can try to braid it to make my life a little bit more easier. Everybody hair grows differently. Some people hair grow faster than others. Some people hair don't never grow. And some people hair might grow, but it might grow real slow. Now, I don't know what his hair is like, but I'm starting to get that his hair is growing really slow. Slower than a snail, in my opinion. But we're not even going to go there. We is here to do the service, so that's what I'm going to do. Today, he wanted to try a new hairstyle, something that he has never received before. And now I'm like, here we go again. Your hair is not that long, and you sitting up here requesting a certain hairstyle that you know you barely got hair to even do this look. But knowing me, I'm the stylist. I can do all things, right? Y'all think hairstylists can do magic tricks. So this is what I'm going to do on his hair today. I'm going to do a magic trick and try to make some hair appear. So stay tuned, because if you're wondering how his hair is going to be as long as it's going to be in this video, it's because my hands is magical. I have special powers. If you pay close attention as well, he keep doing these faces and I'm barely even touching his head. He's worse than the 3-year-old little boy that I did the other day. I'ma even have to start telling the adults, if you tender-headed and you can't take the pain, don't come sit in my chair. But I rock with him though. He be in pain, but he sits still and he get his hair done. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm finna do this hairstyle. Like, the hairstyle he asking for, oh my God. Like, look at all of these faces he's making. Like, boy, I'm barely touching your head. If you got short hair and you located in Las Vegas and you're trying to find you a stylist that is reliable, that's gonna show up and that is real and legit, tap in. Because I keep telling everybody, stop going to these stylists that think they is a stylist, and then when you go to your appointment, they ain't even a real person. Okay? They delete their Instagram, they delete their Facebook, they delete the website, and your money is gone. So stop trying to be cheap, ladies and gents, and come to a real one and get your real hair done the right way. Okay? And I'm parting this part over and over again, and he still keep making the same faces over and over again. Like, boy, baby girl. My fingers is already hurting. I don't know if y'all paying close attention, but my fingers is hurting. They thriving already. Now, I got some magical products that is going to allow me to braid his hair because my fingers is going to be hurting once I'm done with this service, okay? Now, I know y'all wondering and trying to figure out what's going on here. He requested that he get the 2-strand twist. So I'm trying to make some hair appear to do the 2-strand twist, okay? He never got this style before, so he wanted to try something new. So I am going to go ahead and braid it a little bit, and then I'm going to start twisting, okay? Mind you, I give my clients what they ask for, okay? If I could do it, I'm going to do it, okay? If you want it, you got it, okay? Now, his hair is looking a little bit more longer at the top, which is crazy because some people hair grow differently all over their head. And you could look right here. You could see the difference. Like, some pieces is longer, some people's pieces is shorter, but I'm going to make it work. I'm going to do what I possibly can do and make this come alive. I also forgot to tell y'all that TikTok got me messed up. I've been only getting 200 views on my videos, and at this point, I'm like, I'm going to post when I want to post, and I'm going to do what I want to do, because I'm not finna be stressed out over TikTok. That ain't giving me $1. That ain't giving me a cent, okay? Now, what much said is, I usually tell people that this, oh yeah, I'm sleepy, oh my goodness. My bad. Yeah, I done lost my train of thought. What was I talking about, y'all? I don't even know, but I'm almost done with my client head, y'all, and I hope he like it because I did magic tricks and I did whatever I possibly could to make this look like something because I didn't want it to not look like nothing. Because when he came and he wanted to twist, I was like, baby boy, that's going to look like nothing. But I'm going to make it look like something because I know what I'm doing, okay? See, my client all happy. Yeah, he in the mirror or whatever. He checking them out. He liking it. He digging it or whatever. Them squares is squaring. Okay? The squares is squaring. The boxes is boxing. Look at the box. Okay? The box is boxing. The squares is squaring. And I'm making it look long as possible. Can y'all tell? I want y'all to comment down below and let me know, would you wear your hair like this? And would you come sit in my chair and let me do a magic trick on your head? Because I'm trying to figure it out. I see y'all located in Las Vegas and y'all still walking around looking crazy about a head. But I'm not going to even talk about you today, okay? Because today Friday. It's almost the 1st and your rent has got to be due. Barely struggling trying to pay your rent. I understand. I get it, girl. I get it. You can't be walking around looking a hot mess. Now, I do sell wigs because some of y'all need one just for an emergency because y'all be walking around looking a hot dog diggity mess, okay? It's back to school time and everybody should have their hair looking nice for school, but not everybody got the finances. I totally understand. I take food stamps. I take gift cards, I take TVs, I take food, I take old clothes, I take old furniture. I take whatever to do your hair, okay? Just kidding, y'all. I'm talking out the side of my neck. Head over to my website and book your appointment today. Please be sure your hair is at least 3 inches and the link is in the bio.